You have a box with a mass of 2.0 kilograms and a volume of 3 centimeters by 5 centimeters by 8 centimeters. What is its density? Well, okay, so we need to think about what is the definition of density. Density is an object's mass divided by its volume. That's simple, right? You just have to memorize that. So the mass we were already given was 2.0 kilograms. And then the volume, so we're going to have to calculate the volume, and it'll be in cubic centimeters because we have 3 times 5 times 8. And all that is in centimeters. Equals 120 cubic centimeters. So then we're just going to plug that in for the volume. 100 cubic centimeters. Now notice our units, right? In fact, these are 1 sig fig. I'm going to